Woo! Ron Bishop silencers. Today I'll be testing out my 308 suppressor and my 300 blackout. The 308 will be shot on a Savage 10 308. I'm going to shoot 2 rounds unsuppressed and 2 rounds suppressed. Then I go to the 300 blackout. That'll be 3 rounds super and 3 rounds of subsonic. Let's get going here.
Oh my God, that is loud.
Now we'll put the can on here and see what she does.
Now, for you guys that are concerned about safety, remember he just took the magazine out and also kept the bolt open so you can see that there's no round in the chamber, and the other rounds are right here, okay? And the magazine is right there. And by the way, I am taking off my hearing protection. This is my hearing protection right here. I duly trust that his suppressor is going to work adequately. Turning them off.
Okay, we got her on there.
She's on.
A little tighter.
Let's rock and roll with it.
Okay, here we go. 3 rounds suppressed.
Oh my God, that's a lot quieter.
That's our 308. That can goes for $485.
How much was it?
$485. Now it's time for the 300 blackout. Got a 10.5-inch barrel SBR format. Gonna shoot 6 rounds. 1 round with the can off. 2 rounds with the can on, which is gonna be the second 2 rounds is gonna be the high velocity. The following 3 will be subsonic. All right, let's do it.
Damn, that was loud.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. See, guys, the magazine is out of the gun, the round out of that chamber, okay? Please, no negative comments about safety. We are being as safe as we can at the moment. And I love the way that can sits inside of those handrails like that. The hand guards. Or rails, whatever.
Okay. Next round, gonna hear the pop. And final round will be regular, and the next 3 will be subsonic. Subsonic coming now. That's the end of it.
Guys, I pulled my hearing protection off just to show you how quiet this thing is. It's pretty awesome. So what's the price on this can right here?
$385.
$385?
Plus, you know, sales tax.
Plus sales tax and stuff. Guys, if you get your suppressor from Mr. Ron, he is also going to do your truss for you. Okay?
Anybody buys one of my suppressors gets a free NFA trust.
See that, guys? You heard that right here. Now, what's that phone number one more time, Ron?
352-795-4511.
And that's under Ron Dishop Silencers. Ron Dishop Silencers, guys. This is Henry from Critical Dynamics signing out. Thank you very much.